it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you this month's Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing. So yes, today's video is an unboxing of December's Look Fantastic. I can't believe we're at December already. I've been subscribing to this for the entire year, so I'm really excited to get the December box. So Look Fantastic is a beauty subscription box. We get in there 6 products every month. They can vary from makeup, skincare, hair care, little kind of pick-me-up treats and bits and bobs. I've really liked it this year. I have enjoyed pretty much every box and we've had some fantastic products. So I'm really excited to see what they've done with the December box. So the Look Fantastic has 4 ways of subscribing. You can subscribe for a month at a time. If you subscribe for a month at a time, then it will cost you £15 for the box. If you subscribe for 3 months, it will be £14.50. 6 months is £13.75, or if you're on a 12-month subscription, which is the one I have, it is £13 for a box. So that includes postage, and frankly, it's an absolute steal considering the amount of stuff we get in the box. So I haven't opened this yet. It has literally just arrived within the last half an hour, but I was very excited to get it. So I wanted to open it. Okay, are you ready? This is our December box. Look, it's Christmassy. It's pretty. Oh, wow. I haven't seen the box designer yet. They've managed to get it out to me quite quickly this month. So this is a surprise. It's pretty. It's black and gold. Gold's obviously a lovely Christmas colour. And it just looks really luxurious. Oh, I'm happy with that. I don't know if you can hear some banging and scratching. That's my puppy. Do apologise. Chris is supposed to be watching her, but I think she hears me and thinks I'm speaking to somebody and she wants to know what it is. Anyway, let's open the box, and inside we get a nice little saying, and then we get a booklet all about the box itself, and then inside there are some bits and bobs, some articles to read. It's always nice, and inside our products are nicely packaged. So the little saying on the lid this month says, "Merry Christmas with love from the Beauty Box team." So it's a really nice little message. And then the booklet, like I say, it tells us about the box itself, and then inside it gives us information about each of the products. So I will show you those one by one. But first, let's read the information about the box. And the theme this month is Christmas, obviously. So it says, "Christmas tree lit, decorations up, gifts wrapped. The 25th of December is almost upon us, and this month the Beauty Box is here to celebrate. In this month's Beauty Edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview. That's now about what's in the booklet. So there's an interview with someone from Avant and various bits and bobs. Okie dokie then, so now let's take a look at the products. If I remember, our sneak peek was a very expensive eye cream. So firstly then, I'll give you a very quick sneak peek of the products. There they are. Oh my goodness, there's gold little fancy paper in there. It looks lovely. So the first item then, according to this booklet, which feels a little bit more luxurious this month, possibly, it might just be me. And we have a product from Percy & Reed, and this is their Session Hold Hairspray. So it says it's ultra fine, humidity resistant, and providing a flexible but firm hold. This hairspray is just what you need to help your hairstyles last throughout the day. We get in there then, it doesn't say on the thing, but on here we have 50 mils. And Look Fantastic have stopped including the prices, which I don't like. So Look Fantastic, please can we have the prices back? I like to know that I'm getting value for money, and I know that I am. I always really enjoy it, but it feels better to know what we get. Because for all I know, this is a very little mini product and it might be worth 50p. I know it's not, it's going to be worth a good few pounds, but still. The next item then is from Brushworks, and we've got a double-ended brush. It says this double-ended eyeshadow brush combines both shading and precision. One end is a shader brush, perfect for packing on eyeshadow and blending out the edges. On the other, it's an eyeliner brush suitable for use with powder eyeliners or liquid gel eyeliners. So let's open that up. That's the puppy again. And so it's kind of like a flat brush, and on the end, obviously, it is that kind of eyeliner-esque brush, but really nice. Brushworks, we've had some lovely products from them in beauty boxes. I was really impressed with their Miracles complexion sponge. The Wonder complexion sponge. I think the Miracle might be Real Techniques. Anyway, that's a nice product to have. I can't tell you how much it's worth because Look Fantastic don't tell me. Okay, the next product in this box is from Jekka Black, and it is their Champagne Glow Drops. I've had a product, I think it was in glossy box before from them. It was a primer, which I haven't actually got around to using yet, but I've heard of the brand then. So this is the Champagne Glow Drops, and you get 20 ml. It says to add some much needed sparkle this festive season with your glow drops in a beautiful champagne shade that flatters a range of skin tones. I kind of want to open this. Champagne, very luxurious, very festive. Okay, it's got a seal, but I'm going to open it. I am just going to do it. So I'm going to pop a little bit on my hand. Yep, it's definitely a golden champagne-y shade. I don't know if you can see that. I put a little bit too much on. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. I know my light's quite bright, but it's very golden, very shiny. So I'm guessing a little of that will go a long way. I feel like Tin Man or C-3PO or something. So sparkly. Okay, so that's nice. Very sparkly, very Christmassy. Moving on then, we have an item from The Balm, and it is a Petal to the Metal eyeshadow, which comes in various shades. It looks like there's possibly 5 or 6 different shades. The one I have, does it have a name? Baba Vroom cream eyeshadow. Oh, they all say that. Okay, they all say that. Does it have the colour? Shift into Overdrive, possibly. Anyway, let's see what it says. It says there's a creamy, blendable, and easy to blend. No, creamy, buildable, and easy to blend. This balm eyeshadow is just what you need to inject a bit of colour into your makeup routine this festive season. Whatever colour you receive this month, expect strong pigment that is great applied alone or with some of your favourite eyeshadow. So let's take a look at the colour. It is kind of bronzy, shiny almost. It's got like silver glittery flecks in there, so that looks pretty. Actually, looking through the colours that you could possibly get, this one's probably the most me kind of shade. Do you know what? I'm going to give that a little swatch as well. Gonna pop it on a bit of my hand that's free. It's very subtle, but again, it says it's buildable, and yeah, it's definitely more of a bronzy shade. So nice. God, I'm absolutely covered in sparkly stuff. Okay, our next item looks like it's possibly an either or item. We either get an item from Medicate or we get an item from Ren. I've got the Medicate one, which is a Hydrate Serum. We get 10 mils of this. The Ren one was a body lotion, so to be honest, I probably prefer to have this because I've had quite a lot of body lotions and it takes me a while to get through them. So this says, harnessing hyaluronic acid and panthenol, vitamin B5, this Medicate serum brings long-lasting hydration for plumper, smoother complexion. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and free from artificial fragrances. So serums always come in handy. Hyaluronic acid is fantastic. It's hydrating, so it's perfect for these winter months. So that's a nice one to have. Okay then, so the last item in our box, I was just going to say this month, but this year. The last item in our Look Fantastic beauty box of this year, and it is the eye cream that we got a sneak peek of. So we have Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. We get 10 mils. I believe this was something silly like about £100. I can't remember the exact amount, but it was silly money. So 10 mils, and it says fight signs of aging with this luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow. So if it works, that would be very nice. It's got some nice ingredients, hyaluronic acid again, which is really, really nice. So I would never pay the amount of money that these cost, I don't think, unless it was magic. You know, there's not an awful lot in there, but eye cream's always useful to have. It's something I use daily, so definitely a nice one to have. And if it does work magic, I don't think I'd fancy paying £100 still. But still, if you know, yeah, let me know in my videos in the future if I look a hell of a lot younger and less tired. You know, less tired would be nice. With the puppy, not getting as much sleep, it's like having a baby. Anyway, gang, that is our Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of December, and it concludes my year of Look Fantastic boxes. I have to say that I have really enjoyed this year. Look Fantastic tends to be a little bit more skincare heavy, which I like because I have a lot of makeup products that are my go-tos. You know me and Revolution, love them. So I have a lot of stuff already that I like, and I like the fact that I get to try little bits and bobs without getting an overwhelming amount of makeup from LookFantastic, and I'm always open to trying new skincare products, so I really genuinely do enjoy my LookFantastic boxes. Anyway, before I show you the sneak peek for next month, let's have a little rundown of the products. Look how pretty and packaged this is. That's absolutely amazing. So we have in there, we got the hairspray, that'll come in useful. I'm actually running low on hairspray, so that'll be quite nice. We've got the eyeshadow brush, always useful to have eyeshadow brushes. You know, cleaning them can be a chore, so the more you get, the more you can use. We had the glow drops that are still all over my hand and looking very shiny. We got a nice little eyeshadow, it's quite compact, so that'll travel nicely. We got the hyaluronic serum, and we have the super duper eye cream. So all in all, a nice box really. It's quite festive with the decoration, but it's also really, we've got some champagne shades, we've got a sparkly eyeshadow, we can hold our hair up. We're not necessarily going to Christmas parties this year, but we can at least make ourselves look nice. Okay guys, so before I leave you, I will show you the sneak peek on the back of the book, the one that we get for January's box. I am going to be keeping on my LookFantastic subscription next year. I will get the 12-month subscription again. I've really enjoyed it this year. So look away now if you don't want to be spoiled, because I am about to spoil it. So our January sneak peek is from SVR. It is their Hydroline Rich Intense Moisturising Cream. It is worth £15. So certainly nothing to compare with that eye cream. So it just says, this rich hydrating moisturiser is perfect for soothing and nourishing dry, sensitive skin. It's dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturised for up to 72. Why have I got 72? It says 24. I have no idea where 72 came from. For 24 hours. It's hypoallergenic. It's formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive of skin. So we've got a moisturising cream. So that'll be nice. I'm really pleased with the box. It's so pretty. So let me know what you guys think of it. Drop me a comment and let me know if you don't subscribe, does this make you want to subscribe? If you are subscribed, are you happy? Just let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed today's video, guys, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe. I have got unboxings every month. I also do a glossy box unboxing and various other bits and bobs. I've been a little busy lately and my videos haven't been as consistent, but bringing up a puppy is a lot of hard work. I will try and get a video of her up very soon. Let me know if you want that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.